Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's text-to-image AI generator. So, AI-generated images are all the craze today, and Canva is definitely also jumping on the hype bandwagon. For today, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's built-in text-to-image generator. Imagine, even Canva is joining the likes of Leonardo AI and Midjourney in the realms of AI image generation. So to start off, let's go make a new design on Canva. From your new design, on the left-hand side, look for the button that says Apps. Once you've selected the apps list, you want to scroll down until you find the icon that looks like this. This is Canva's text-to-image application. Go ahead and click on it and then click on Open. From here, you can already put in your text prompts and Canva's program will make the images for you. You're also very much free to choose a specific style for any prompt you may give the program. If you don't really feel like putting your own prompts for the text-to-image program, go ahead and click on Try an Example. This will randomly generate its own prompt for you. Feel free to keep on clicking Try Another to see all the prompts that this program will generate for you. Now, let's try generating our first AI-generated image using Canva's built-in software. Let's give it the prompt, a dog on a bed full of toys. And just like that, Canva has given us not just one, but 4 variations of the prompt that we have asked for. Now go ahead and click on any of these generated images and it'll automatically be applied to the current design we're working on. Now let's keep on asking for more prompts to see what this software is capable of. Ooh, after some searching, let's go with this prompt. A portrait of a girl with cute messy bun hair and light makeup with a color purple top. And just like that, we now have 4 variations of that very specific prompt. The power of these AI generative models is quite alarming and quite impressive if I do say so myself. Now let's keep going and see what other prompts we can think of to make with this AI generative program. For the next prompt, let's go with 2 kittens with shades riding a motorbike. It honestly doesn't even take that long, and Canva will make 4 very high quality pictures for us. So just like before, click on a picture to add it to our current design. Now, the next thing we can do is use another prompt, like a portrait of a goddess woman with her white flowery dress. But this time, let's also choose a style. For the style, I want to go with a filmic photo. And wow, Canva's AI generative program really is quite impressive, and it's built into a great photo editor. Now, let's try making one more prompt, and this time, let's do a black and white dog wearing a cute Batman outfit riding a motorcycle. This time, let's go with the style of an anime or cartoon. And as you can see, Canva's AI generative program isn't limited to just realistic photos, it can even make really nice stylistic cartoon renditions of our prompts. And that's really all there is to it. Using Canva's built-in text-to-AI image program is really as simple as that. The fact that it's built into an already existing editing platform is a huge bonus. So, if you've learned anything from this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. Don't forget to comment any questions or inquiries down below, and we'll definitely see all of you guys in the next one.